Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see how to install Visual Code on Windows 10. So first, we will start with the opening of web browser. We will go and open the Google Chrome. We will search for Visual Code on Google page. We will see a website of Visual Studio Code. We'll click on download. Here we have different packages for different platforms. So here we will click on Windows, and now download will start. The setup is around 90 MB and it can take some time depending upon the internet speed. Now it is about to finish. Yeah, it is downloaded. So we'll go to download folder. We'll click on the setup file. We need to click on I accept the agreement. Next. Next. Again next. If you want to create a desktop icon, you can click on this particular option, then next, then install. This installation can take some time depending upon your system speed. It will install and extract all the files related to VS Code. Now it is about to finish. We need to click on the finish. Now we need to go to the website. To see the documentation, we need to click on docs. Here we have some documentation for C++. We will click on GCC on Windows. Now here some steps are given to set up the Visual Code. So first step is to install the VS Code. And next step is to install the extensions for VS Code. So to do it, we need to open the Visual Code. It is open now. We need to go to the extension icon. Here we need to search for the C++. So this is the extension C/C++. We need to click on it, and it's provided by the Microsoft. We need to click on install. It will take some time for the installation. This extension required compiler and debugger to be pre-installed. We will do that later. Then we need to search for some other extension, which is C and C++ extension pack. We need to install it. As you can see that it is getting installed. So now, yeah, it is installed properly. Both extensions are installed. Now we will install the compiler and debugger in the system. To do it, we will follow the other steps which are given here. So we will click on this link. It will download the Mingw for us. As you can see that download is started now, and the setup is around 83 MB. It will take some time depending upon the internet speed. Yeah, now it is done. To install it, we will click on the setup file. We need to click on next. This is the path for installation. Next, then next. It will install its subcomponents. The process can take some time for installation. Now it is about to finish. We can click on the finish, and we will have some terminal open at our side. We need to give some command here. We can copy the command from the web page. We can paste here and press enter. This will ask for the package selection. We can press enter for the default packages. You can see here on the web page it is given as we need to press enter. Now we can press yes, Y, to say that install the packages. It will install all the packages one by one, and this process is lengthy and can take some time. As you can see that packages are installed one by one. There are many packages which are to be installed. Now package installation is done. We will go back to the web page. Here it is saying that we need to add the path of that Mingw in environment variable. We can copy the path. This is the default path. Now we need to go to the Windows settings. Here we need to search for edit environment variable. So now we need to click on it. We need to click on edit. Then we need to click on new. We need to paste the path. Now we need to click on OK. Now we need to open a new terminal. Or command prompt. Now we need to check whether the installation is successful for GCC, G++ and GDB. So we can check it by giving GCC ---- version. It will fetch the version of installed GCC. As you can see that GCC is installed now with version 13.1.0. Now we can check for the G++. Command is G++ ---- version. It will show us the G++ version, and the version is 13.1.0. In the same way, we can fetch the GDB version by using GDB space ---- version. This command may take some time. So version is obtained, and version is as shown in the highlighted part. So this was the installation for VSCode and Mingw in the Windows. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.